Hi everybody, how are you? Another quick update after a few weeks of work in the apartment in Guadalmina. So let me show you where we're at right now. So here we go, we're downstairs now. As you can see, what we've done mostly is smoothing all the walls with plaster. All the little electrical boxes obviously have been installed, and we've done also all the ducting for the air conditioning. The plumbing obviously has been done. As you can see here where the toilet is, we are ready to tile this as well, like we've done already upstairs. The air conditioning unit has been installed. We're working in finishing the kitchen and the plastering. And then what's left is basically the false ceilings. And then we can start with the installations. You can see here, this is the little storage room where we're going to have the boiler. It's now practically finished. So we're getting there quickly. So up to the next update, and I'll speak to you soon.